Good evening to all of you. At first, I think in the last time I couldn't get a time to introduce myself. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Karishma Verma, a student of semester 3 in undergraduation of Sadke Lambash College, and now we are going to discuss on the topic who are more helpful to the parents, sons or daughters. I am in the favor of daughters.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good evening to all of you. And regarding my education background, I have completed my matriculation from Sarvodaya High School Lagdiya, and I have completed my intermediate from Inter Science College Hazaribagh, and now I am doing my graduation from another college Hazaribagh with geography honors. At first, I want to tell you thank you a lot because you give me a time for this opportunity to introduce myself. And I want to say that I am in favor of boys. I think boys is more important for their parents because boys can do each and everything which their parents need. And I think being a boy, I am not saying the boys are more important for their parents, because it is our society will learn from our society that boys are more important for their parents. What do you want to say?
I do favor, but I would just want to ask you a question. Do you think the people can only survive their life by the help of money, otherwise relations, emotions, feelings?
No, absolutely not.
By the help of money or emotions, feelings? What would you like to say? That we can only survive by the help of money? I do think that the parents prefer the sons because they need only economic support. That's what they need. I don't think so that the parents do need their sons on the for a mutual relation. I do also think that the girls are the most important part of the parents' life because they understand by feelings, emotions, thinkings and all the criteria that they could fulfill. And I do also think that girls are emotionally attached with the people, and not by saying a single word they can understand their parents even in a better condition, otherwise in a worse condition.
I don't agree with you whatever you said that, because you said that it is only money by the help of which we can live. I think it is not, because except money we have to do a lot of things and we need a lot of things. And I want to add some more point like girls are only wasting their time in their beauty, and they used to only think about the beauty. As you can also see in the class, there are lots of girls. They have spent a lots of time in front of the mirror before coming here, and it's the boys. हम लोग को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हम लोग कैसे दिखते हैं, but the most thing is that we need and the thing is we want to see our parents happy. If parents is happy, then everything is good for ourselves. But in the case of girls, this is not happen in all the case. What do you think about the girls after getting married? They totally forget their parents, and they used to only serve their husband and their children, and occasionally I think they used to come them. Occasionally I think they used to come home, and there's only show off that she is carrying a lot for their parents, but it's totally wrong. What do you think?
I don't agree with him when he said that the girls spend most of their times before the mirror. I do think that you all also give your times before looking as handsome, because it's a natural in our life. By growing the age, it needs that the girls, not only the girls, I think it's in everyone. You can imagine, you can think about the children. They also want to be beautiful, otherwise handsome. I do not agree with you. And if you think that the girls are not means the girls are not important for their parents, and after getting married they leave their homes and they don't care about their own parents. Let me give you an example. No, let me ask you a question. That you said that after getting married the girls forgot all the things. Could you please tell me, after when your wife will come, then what will she do to you? She will only take care of you, and if she will take care of your own parents, then definitely you will tell to her that do your work and go your own home and stay there, because I do not need you, because you are not able to give me time. Then what are the demerits? All the demerits are in the boys, because you also want to see a beautiful girl, and you also want to think that there would be girl who can only take care of me. Then what about you? What about the girls? They have feelings, they have emotions, they have thinking. Then what will they think? I think they are emotionally attached with the parents, and whatever they can do, I don't think so that the boys are able to do their for parents. I know that in our Indian society, when the people used to think that the only boys are able to survive them for their whole life, but I do also think that girls are too much able, because they are not only serving only one family, they are surviving two families, and they are leading their performance in a very good way. That's what I would like to say you that no, you are wrong, because girls are able to manage for two families, and you are only able to manage for only one family. That's why I do not favor with you.
Yeah, I agree with you that girls have also emotion and lots of things. And I think this is the weakness of the girl, because she used to depend on others. Suppose that who can care of a person? If she can't care about herself, then how will they care about their parents? They always depend on their husband. Suppose that she has to buy a powder, yeah, suppose that he has to lots of things. Suppose that she has to buy something, then she need money. From whom she will get? She is totally dependent on their husband. So I can say that a dependent person can never care of any person, because they are totally dependent on them. And I also want to add some more point as okay, take your time.
Let me make you sure that you are only the economical sources, not for the feelings, not for the managing the families. I do think so.
What we will be do with the feeling? In this era, what will we do with feeling? Tell me.
Okay, now suppose, let me give you an example. If I provide you, I think at least 5,000 rupees, okay? And then you want to just celebrate with your friends, and if they are not with you, then you won't do anything with the money, because it would be only a size of paper, nothing else. That's why you won't be happy. And let me make you see. You told me that means for buying a piece of powder, all are dependent on the boys. I don't think so. You all are also dependent. They are mutually dependent on each other. Not only the girls are dependent on you. You all are also dependent to the girls. Not only you.
If you oppose the fact, then it's your problem, and I can't say anything, because it is the reality of our society. And I want to add some more things, as like when a girl started their studies, she used to do anyhow. She completed matriculation. After that, she used to complete intermediate. After that, she is trying to how she look attractive. Because she know very well someone is working for me, and someone is working hard for me. And after getting 18, she used the person who is working hard for them, she get money. After that her life is full of glorious, because of that boy, not because of the girls.
Let me make you sure that who compel the girls to not study, not to get higher education. You all, I think the patriarchy mindset of the society, they all are complaining the students, the girls to leave their studies in between. What do you think about you? That you are only a student who is reading outside. We are also, and let's compare with me. I am also a girl. I have given a chance to study outside as like you. Then what do you think that only our parents are giving us the time to only study
I do not have to tell a lot of things because you know and you know very well about the condition of Hazaribagh. You should at first you should see lots of things in Hazaribagh and like what are the girls are doing here. They are totally wasting their money.
Let me make you sure. If the girls are wasting their money, then tell me please behind whom they are wasting money. Money for the boys, not for the girls.
You can search on Google who is more educated and who is more employed, girls or boys, and you can also search.
Okay, let me make you sure. If you judge the people by the economical background, then let me give an example. If you are able to survive without your sister, without your mother, otherwise without your wife, then congratulations for you for your further life.
Okay, I want to say a thing that at first go your home and you should consult from your family and the neighbor and ask them whom do you demand for boy or the girl.
I do know that, but there are also reasons.
What's the reason behind it? I want to know.
Let me make you sure. There are lots of reasons. At first, the safety of the girls, and the girls are only unsafe because of the boys, so far as I think. And also, they do also think that in the Indian mindset, they do think that the boys are only able to run their family, not the girls. That's what they are the big reasons. And I think.
Then you are agree with me. Boys are more important for the parents.
Let me conclude my words, whatever I was saying. I told you that now we all are getting education, and I think the purpose of education to civilize our own conditions and civilize our society in a better way. And so far I consider, let's talk to the higher educated person. You will definitely come to know that the girls and boys are the two sides of the same coin, and they all are important. I do not only say that boys are not important, otherwise girls are not important, but so far as I consider, really, if you understand if you really understand the backgrounds of this thinking, then you will definitely come to know. And if the educated person will think that only boys are important and they do not need girls, then what will happen to the society after a few years, after a few decades? We should think that only not girls, otherwise boys, they all are important. And I do think that if the family do also think in the Indian mindset, I told you that they only prefer sons comparison to the girls because they only think that they in their mindset. Let me tell you one thing, that when God had also made the two kinds of people in this earth, then who are we to differentiate between them on the basis of gender? I think we should end this topic, and I would also like to request to all the students and all the guys, please remove your minds, all the dirty things from your mindset. I'm not saying that there is only dirty thing, but the things.
Okay, we will remove, but tell me one thing. I want to ask the sex ratio of our country is decreasing day by day. Who is responsible for that?
I think both of them, not only girls. When you were saying that girls are only wasting their money, I do think that let me give you one example for myself. When I had come here for the first time, or that time I didn't know anything about Hazaribagh, and I came to know all the things by the help of my sister. And she told me, by the help of her, I learned all the things. And really, when I do spend money behind wrong things, then really it caught my heart that you are doing wrong. Just choose your right path and go in the right direction, not the wrong direction which you are misguided. And if a girl thinks, and I do not only think that only I'm the girl who thinks about this, I think most of the girls, those who are in Hazaribagh, otherwise those who are outside from their family, those who are away from their own house, they do think that we must not waste money because our parents earn it for the help of. I know because now I didn't know much about my parents, that what do they think. But when I go after spending time in Hazaribagh,
Girls get good education and engaged in any other job. Then suppose that I want to give an example. Anyone will demand dowry from Alia Bhatt? No, definitely no, because she is eligible for her. She is complete their.
She was taught from her childhood that no, you want to be given dowry for your marriage and you will have to capable for your future and for your whatever you spend. At first you will have to earn whatever you spend.
Okay, let me tell.
She was treated from her childhood that you are not only a girl, you all are equal and you can also earn your money whatever you spend in your future.
At first, answer me. Will anyone demand dowry from Alia Bhatt? Yes or not?
No, she will not. They will
What's the reason behind it?
Because
What's the differences between the girls living in this Miss Hazaribagh and the Alia Bhatt? What's the differences between both?
She is a
At first thing.
She is a successful lady. That's why she can't be asked for the dowry. And I do think that about the girls, those who are in Hazaribagh, they are also studying. And if they are misguided, then I think the reasons are not only misguided for the reasons for the misguiding. They are not only the one reason. The boys are also the reason. And let's first come to the base. What are the main reason? At first we should remove that. And if you ask about me, the sex ratio is decreasing because of the sofa as I think about the males, not for the females. Because the girls really, when I go to the park, on that time I do think internally that I'm not safe. I think it's getting too much late. My mother was calling me. If it will be late, then what will you do? I told her that now my teacher will leave me. Then she is carrying out for my safety. And what do you think about you? Did your mother ask you that when will you reach your home? Because she is clear that you are safe and I'm not safe. And I'm not safe because of the reason of the boys. They will teach me on their own. And I will understand it. That's why she will ask me. She cares about my safety. And it doesn't mean that she doesn't want to educate me. She also wants to educate me. She wants to give up. She also wants to see me in a higher position.
Okay, I agree with you in this type of your opinion because sex ratio is decreasing in my country and this is the biggest concern of our society and we should improve it. Thank you so much.
I would like to also request all that please remove your patriarchy mindset. Let me say something in English, in Hindi. I think मुझे नहीं लगता कि अगर कोई ये सोचता है कि वो लड़की है इसलिए ये या तो वो लड़का है तो इसलिए ये उसका कास्ट है इसलिए ये हमें लगता है कि भेदभाव करना कम करना चाहिए. We are the educated people. हम लोग अगर सोसाइटी को चेंज करें, if we are not reforming the society, then who will come forward? Only the educated person, not the uneducated ones, because they are taught from the childhood that no, girls are this type of guys and the boys for this, and we are only taught by the generation that girls are meant for that and boys are meant for this. That's why we should be neutralized in all the conditions. हम लोग को हर एक चीज में न्यूट्रलाइज होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि वो बॉयज इसलिए वो करता है, वो गर्ल्स इसलिए करती है. गर्ल्स है उसका भी अपना चॉइस है, बॉयज है आपका भी चॉइस है. आपको कोई रोकता नहीं है ना. हम लोग को तो बहुत ज्यादा रोका भी जाता है. तो इसलिए प्लीज बी न्यूट्रलाइज इन ऑल द कंडीशंस. थैंक यू सर.